coolest, welcome back to my channel. Maraming salamat po to all the subscribers. Another one of my recommendations if you come visit Thailand, especially Bangkok, don't forget to visit Chatuchak Market. Wednesday and Thursday, mga ka-coolest, only plant bazaar. So maybe next time I'll come back here on the weekend so you can see the whole thing. The prices of the things here are way, way cheaper. And again, mga coolest, don't forget to ask for a discount. So mga coolest, I am going to tour you now. This is the part that maybe you won't see my face, but you will hear my voice. So are you ready for this? Here we go!
These are beautiful. I love these.
Woo! Look at this! Oh wow! Ano siya alay ka? Like wa alay ka?
Anoเป็นbromeliad?
Ah, bromeliad! Yes. Guys, bromeliad for 400 baht. Look! Take a picture of me, Daddy. They do have flowers, and these are aerial plants. You can just hang like this. Like this. No soil needed, just a piece of wood. And you just spray it twice a week. Please comment below if you know the name of this plant. Maybe I don't have time to do all the plants or each stall kasi this place is really big. As I said before, it's massive. Not only plants are available here because you can also find different stuff like clothes, accessories, gadgets, and pets, and paintings, antiques, household appliances. Like, as I said, almost everything is here. And of course, street food, like traditional Thai street food. Very authentic Bangkok street food you can also find here. But again, because it's Thursday, we're not going to find those things today. 200 baht. Please comment below if you know the name of this plant. So guys, if you get hungry or thirsty, there's little food stalls, water, noodles. Sawadee ka. Oh, fiddle leaf. เท่าไหร่คะพี่
ครับนี่แหละครับ
ค่ะ 200 baht only here. My gosh. Do you know how much is this in our area? This is like 2,000 baht. อันนี้พี่ rubber plant เท่าไหร่คะ
ต้นใหญ่400ครับ
Oh, it's only 400 baht. Shout out Judeng, Stanley, Laruan. So imagine mga kules, in our area, by Sukhumvit Road or by Patanakan Road, all the plant nurseries, this size of fern is actually 350 to 400 baht. But here, it's only 150 baht. Imagine how cheaper compared to the ones near the city. Baby, take a picture.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Yeah. And this massive fern right here, mga kulas, 1,200. Oh my gosh! Beautiful. Look. It's only 1,200. Oh. Wow, wow. So, again, mga kulas, if you want to buy plants, please go visit Chatuchak Market every Wednesday and Thursdays. Siya may kapi. Ani per Wednesday, kap Thursday. Songwan.
3
Ah.
อังคาร
Ah. Angkan Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. In the morning, they open at 6 o'clock.
What time do you close?
6 p.m. Yes. For the plant lovers out there, this place is for you. And there's my husband. They also sell fertilizers and different pots. If you are going to decorate your house with plants or do some unique and beautiful landscaping, and you want to decorate it with different plants, Chatuchak Market is the best place to buy because, again, the prices here are very, very cheap. And they are open Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And it's nice to shop because there's not a lot of people. Isocra plant. I bought one for my friend, for Jintan Moreno, by my place, 600 baht, and it was smaller. But here, they are way bigger and only 400 baht. Calamansi, or lime trees, or lime plants. Oh wow, look at this. This is 3,500 baht, and the small ones 250 baht right here. Some are 500 baht, some are 800 baht. Oh, they are very, very nice. And some are 2,500 baht or 3,000 baht. Mga kulas, please comment below the name of this plant. This one, right here, 50 baht. Sawadee ka, no? Wow! เท่าไหร่ka, no?
นี่คือ5,000
5,000 baht for this.
yes yes
And this one,
this
the big one.
is about 12,000
Whoa! Very beautiful.
all of this is buy from China
From China.
Yes.
Whoa!
It takes
12,000
so
baht.
long to do this.
Yes.
about 20 years
Yeah.
for this
Yeah.
Really? 20
Yes.
years? Wow.
And just meticulous care.
This one is very expensive, right?
this one is about 25
25,000. Ooh, very beautiful. Wow, look at these. Different kinds of planters, very pretty, I would say. Beautiful design. Piani penta machat ka? Sita machat pa? Wow! The color is just magnificent. It's, again, I'm gonna say this one more time. They look fake, but they're not. They are super real. 9,000 baht. Oh, not bad. These are 9,000 baht. And this, เท่าไหร่คะพี่
250ครับ
Oh, wow, they are so cheap here. 250. Again, I'm gonna say it one more time. If you are looking for a lot of different varieties of plants for very, very cheap prices, come to Chatuchak Market because you are not gonna be disappointed. Oh, this one is expensive. เท่าไหร่นะพี่ Oh, 50,000 baht for this. Woo! So the reason why this one is very expensive because it's not very common and it's hard to find, I guess. So again mga kules, this plant cost 50,000 baht. Sawadee ka. They only sell this for 20 baht. So I'm gonna buy 5. And I'm gonna give some to my friends.
That's awesome. Love that. Love that shape. Actually, all of them are pretty cool.
Whoa. What is this? เท่าไหร่คะ เท่าไหร่คะ25,000 20 20,000 25 25,000 So mga kakulis, this is also another, what do you call this, honey? Bonsai again? These are all bonsai. This one is 58,000.
70,000.
Whoa, and this one is 70.
Look at how it has the rock. The
Wow.
grip holding the rock down.
But these are all just amazing.
Look at this one.
This one is 7,000. or 5,000. The tiny one, maybe they are cheaper, of course. And this one, whoa, 40,000. This one is 40,000 baht.
That's beautiful. I don't know how they got the wood black.
This is 38,000. Look. Whoa. This one is a little cheaper, 2,500. Wow, this one is 18,000 right here. This one is 18,000. Here. And this is, wow, 28,000. This is 18,000. Wow. And this one is 6,500 baht. Bonsai. The lady said, correct me if I'm wrong, she said it's euphorbia plant. This is like very cool looking plant. It's almost like an alien plant.
It's a cactus of some sort.
Huh?
It's a cactus of some sort.
Yeah,
but
a
it's stunning.
family of, again, cacti.
That's beautiful. Stunning.
Very pretty.
I love that.
Beautiful. So mga kules, I bought this at the other side of Chatuchak market. It was 20 baht, but here it's only 10 baht. So I got tricked. What the heck? I'm buying again. Because it's only 10 baht, I can give this to my friends. You can put them inside your bathroom. A nice decoration. And you are wondering, I know, how to go here. The best way to get here is BTS. Take the SkyTrain and get off at Mochit Station. Am I right, honey?
Yes.
Or you can take a taxi if you have friends with you. You can share. Or bus. I hope you enjoyed my vlog mga kules, and please don't forget to hit the bell para updated kayo sa iba't ibang tips ni Kules Teacher Diary dito sa Thailand. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog!